Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the monitor and graphics driver. This prevents unsupported modes. Once confirmed, update or reinstall GPU drivers and restart. Then open Display Settings, either via Settings System Display or right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Make sure the correct monitor is selected if you have multiple screens. Now move on to change resolution. This is the first actionable change you'll make to set 1920x1080 and prepare scaling if needed. Once in the resolution dropdown, choose 1920x1080, the native 16:9 option if listed. If it's not listed, open Advanced Display Settings to confirm the active refresh rate and color depth so the monitor can accept the new mode. Make sure scaling remains at recommended values to avoid UI clipping. If Windows doesn't offer 1920x1080, open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel, create a custom resolution with matching timing and refresh rates, then apply and test the new mode. After selecting 1920x1080, click Apply and accept the confirmation prompt to keep the change. Test the desktop, full screen video, and a few apps to ensure clarity and correct scaling. If the screen goes blank or shows artifacts, wait for the revert timer and choose Revert, then try lowering the refresh rate or recreating the custom resolution. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap the display cable or input port, because faulty HDMI/display port cables and wrong ports often block native resolutions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.